Hey everyone, Shazam and Instagram are now doing a collaboration where you could share music from Shazam right onto Instagram stories and click on those to get back to Shazam. Let me show you in this video. If it's your first time here, I make social media and tech videos every single day, so please consider subscribing so you don't miss the latest Instagram update. Let me go ahead and press open on Shazam. If you don't have it yet, go ahead and download it. It's a pretty cool music app. So if you haven't used Shazam, what you could basically do is tap this button and Shazam starts listening to you and it could recognize songs that way. Or you could just press discover on the top right, which is what I'm going to do. And you could go ahead and search for songs and discover new songs. So let's say you found a song and the song is playing right here. The way you share music on Shazam is you press the arrow right on the top right and it will give you all these options. The new one is Instagram stories. So let me go ahead and click that. And it's going to ask to open Instagram. So you obviously need Instagram and Shazam to get this to work. And this is what it looks like on stories. So it creates this on your story here. And you could go ahead and add stickers or text or anything else you want. Or you could go ahead and share it as is. So on the bottom, I could share it to your story. So that's my story that everybody could see, or my close friends. In this case, let me show you close friends here. Let me show you what that does. If you don't know that, check out the previous video on this latest update on close friends. Let me go ahead and press that. So now my close friends could see that story. Let me go ahead and click that story here. So now I could go ahead and press more on Shazam, and then it will give me this pop-up to open in Shazam. So then it takes me to Shazam. So when my friends do view this, they could go ahead and go from my Instagram account to Shazam just by clicking that option more on Shazam here. I know a lot of people don't use Shazam nowadays, but it's been an app that I've had for a long time to identify songs. So if you do use it, I think you would like this new cross promotion. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for daily tech videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.